How to fix PS5 Error NP-103107-2. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS5 Error NP-103107-0. 1. Check on PS5 server status for potential or reported failure and maintenance information. If yes, try playing the previous app later. 2. Back up, note down, or take a picture, current internet connection settings, then reset them on your PlayStation 5. Perform an internet connection test. 3. Turn off your router and modem, if any, and wait at least 5 minutes before turning it back on. Refer to the following IMG.